Good, how are you?
Pure energy, pure madness, I tell you. Welcome back, guys. I'm on my way to pitch our company today, our startup. We're going to be pitching at an ignition fund for a chance to win a $25,000 grant. So fingers crossed, hopefully that we win it. I don't know if I'll be able to record any of the actual pitch, but I'll keep you guys updated on how it went, and for sure we will know whether we win or not, but we won't know if we win until July, like mid-July or so. But yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. So fingers crossed, wish us luck. And are you guys excited? Nervous?
Yes, we're nervous.
At least you should be.
You should be. Nice for you, go.
So we just got done with that ignition pitch. That went pretty well. Everyone seemed very excited, I would say. So fingers crossed that we do win. And even if we don't win, the validation that we got during that pitch was pretty good. So we're still excited to just continue this build. So that's what I'm going to do now is head home. Whoop, wrong car. Head home and continue to build.
Weeks have been the most stressful weeks, I think, potentially in my life.
Yeah. All right. So I'm back from our pitch day, our event, which went really well, I must say. Like, I don't think we could have asked for anything better. Like, the feedback that we got from the judges, it was like almost them eating out of our palms, really, which was like quite amazing. So that pitch went really well, I must say. And so I thought initially it was just one startup that would win the $25,000, but after doing some more research, I found that they actually give multiple startups $25,000 each. So that's pretty good news. So we're even more stoked that there's a possibility that we could win. That got us even more excited to keep building what we're building. Like, we know now that it's actually something that, I didn't even say that. So three of the judges, they expressed their issues that they had with secondary markets, trying to buy a ticket and then having to go and purchase it on the secondary market for about 10 times the price or whatever for a simple ticket. But I'm exaggerating, but maybe 3-4 times the price, which is still a lot. But yeah, so they actually felt the problem that we were saying that other people were having. So they had that problem firsthand, and they really liked the idea. And I have a strong feeling that we have a good chance of winning. But like I said before, even if we don't win, the validation is already there. Like, we know for sure that people are having this problem, and we are able to solve it. And so yeah, I don't know, I'm excited. I can't even talk now, but yeah, I'm happy about it. So what I'm going to do is just get back to building, and I'll show you some of the screens that I'm going to be building out. Basically taking it from the first iteration, basically our POC, up to where we're going to actually launch our MVP, you could call it, alpha. But yeah, I'm going to show you what we're working with right now. So enough of my long talking. Say long talking, that's the Bohemian inside of me. What I meant to say was, enough of the blabbering. Let's get to work. We had put so much thought and effort into our pitch deck. Like, no one really talks about how hard it is to actually build a pitch deck and build one that has everything inside of it, from your team, your financial models, your revenue projections, your product that you're building, and being able to answer those questions that come after the pitch, like those why we're asking what we're asking, why is your team is this, why you feel you'll succeed. Like, man, that takes a lot out of you. But I'm glad that's done for now. We still have to prepare for other pitches that we're going to be doing in the future, but doing is just continuing to build out what we need to build out for our alpha launch. We plan to launch our alpha product in the next 2 weeks, like in July. So yeah, which we don't really have much work to do. It's just me finishing up some of the screens, one of the other co-founders finishing up some of the work on the back end, and yeah, that's basically it. All right, so this is the app right now. This is how it looks right now. Something's going on with the back end where images are not rendering correctly, but that's no problem. It's not a blocker for me. I'll be able to keep working. So basically this is how it looks. Too bad the pictures aren't working, so you can't really see it, but essentially you will have your tickets, and this is how your tickets currently look here. You'll be able to generate a barcode, and this is a unique barcode. This is basically our meat that basically sets us apart from everyone else, is this particular barcode right here, along with some other features, but this is like our priority top one right here. And so yeah, so right now, as you can see, it works, but we still have a lot of work to do. Like you can go through and purchase a ticket and stuff like that. I think I need to sign in. So this screen here is the new screens. Like this is what I'm currently working on. So as you can see, I already started doing some of the work. And let's just put this in for now. So yeah, you'd be able to go ahead here and select your seat, add this there, and then basically go to the whole purchase and checkout flow. Let's release that ticket. And yeah, so this is basically how it looks. And so this one here, the first one that we chose was for a seated event. So you would have to go through basically that whole process of selecting your seats. And let's say if this one was just, say you're having a ticketed event at a nightclub or something like that. And so you wouldn't necessarily need to purchase a seated event. Here you would more so purchase general admission tickets or VIP tickets. And let's just say we're going to get one of each. And then you just go to that same flow again. So right now, this is how the app looks. Right now, it doesn't look too good, but it was enough to prove our concept and show that the app actually works. But for now, what I'm going to be doing is basically changing up a lot of how it looks right now and introducing a new UI. So this is basically how it's going to look now. It looks pretty sweet, I must say. So this is what I'm going to be doing right now, is changing up all of this so it looks way better. I think personally, at least, I think it looks way nicer. And as you can see, like the intro screen, sorry, I've already completed. And as you see, like some of the naming is like Ticket.io. So before that was the original name, but after we had to sit down and we thought about branding and everything else, and we decided to change the name because there was another company that had like a conflicting name that we didn't want to be associated with. Not that the company was bad, but we just didn't want to be confused, basically. So we switched it up, we changed the name, and along with changing the name, we are changing the design. So it's no longer Ticket.io, it's SolTix. And so that's basically how the app is going to look. It's going to look like this. I think it looks pretty sweet. So yeah, so we're going from this nice looking thing here to this beautiful design that we got, if this would work. Yeah, so yeah, basically that's what I'm going to be doing now, is building out these screens and changing up the whole UI flow, because some of the way that it flows currently doesn't work properly or how we want it, so I'm going to change that up as well. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to get into this build. I'm going to get into this build, and I'll probably see how far I can get within the next 3-4 hours. I'm probably going to work late tonight, probably till maybe 7 o'clock. Who knows? After that good pitch, I'm excited to keep working, and I'm on no caffeine right now. Like, it's just pure energy, pure madness, I tell you. All right, that's enough. I'm getting crazy now. There we are. This is my first pass on the designs, implementing these screens. I think I'm going pretty good. It's been a few hours, and I got a lot done. Like, I got these screens done, looking the way that it's supposed to. And yeah, but so it's looking pretty nice, pretty nice. I'm just going to continue working for tonight and see what else I can get done. But it's coming along good. It's looking pretty good. I'll just have to be doing some touching up, some minor touch-ups as we continue and progress through this build right now. But for right now, I'm just going to call it a night and just continue to build until maybe I pass out and fall asleep. But yeah, so that's it. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you like what you see, please do subscribe to the channel and like the video and comment. How do you feel about this startup that we're building? I'll be very keen in hearing what you have to say. But other than that, thanks for watching, and I hope that you continue to follow us along this build. So, signing off. Good night.